Hi everyone! Welcome to today's lesson. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching a brand new sound. Today's sound is spelt with the letters O and R. So when you see these letters right next to each other, they make the sound OR. OR. So in today's lesson, we're going to go through 4 different words covering the OR sound. So the first one is port. Port. The ships came into the port. So to sound out this word, I would say p or t. P or t. Port. The second word is fork. Fork. When we have dinner, we eat with a knife and fork. So to sound out this word, I would say f or k. F or k. Fork. And the third word is north. North. You can use a compass to travel north. So to sound out this word, I would say or th. Or th. North. And the fourth word, the last word for today's lesson, is born. Born. I was born in November. Born. So to sound out this word, I would say b or n. B or n. Born. So thank you for watching this video. I really hope you're finding them helpful. You can also access more resources and support down below over on my website in the description. So thank you for watching and enjoy the rest of your day. Bye!